Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel Atta English Zone. Today we are going to study about linguistic MCQs with their answer that will help you in many exams. So the first MCQ we have linguistic is the scientific study of language, literature, grammar, communication. Correct answer is answer A, language. The smallest meaning unit in a language is called a phoneme, morpheme, syllable, word. Answer is morpheme. The smallest unit of a sound that can change meaning is a phoneme, morpheme, grapheme, lexeme. Answer A, phoneme. Syntax deal with sentence structure, word meaning, sound patterns, writing system. Answer A, sentence structure. Semantics is the study of sound, meaning, grammar, speech organ. Answer B, meaning. Pragmatic studies meaning in relation to context, words, phonemes, syntax. Answer A, context. Phonology is concerned with dash sound patterns of a language, verse formation, sentence meaning, speech acts. Answer A, sound patterns of a language. Morphology is the study of word formation, sentence formation, sound formation, language change. Answer A, word formation. The study of language change over time is called diachronic linguistics, synchronic linguistics, applied linguistics, psycholinguistics. Answer A, diachronic linguistics. The study of a language at a particular point in time is synchronic linguistics, diachronic linguistics, sociolinguistic, comparative linguistics. Answer A, synchronic linguistics. Who is considered the father of modern linguistics? Noam Chomsky, Ferdinand de Saussure, Edward Sapir, Leonard Bloomfield. Answer B, Ferdinand de Saussure. The theory of universal grammar was proposed by Saussure, Chomsky, Bloomfield, Hames. Answer B, Chomsky. Sociolinguistics studies the relationship between language and society, grammar, sound, writing. Answer A, society. A dialect is a variety of a language spoken by a dash social or regional group, single person, teacher, writer. Answer A, social or regional group. The study of speech sounds is known as phonetics, phonology, semantics, syntax. Answer A, फोनेटिक्स। ये थी आज की वीडियो। उम्मीद है आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक, कमेंट और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।